Hi guys, this is MultiverShaun YT and this is actually my second channel's first video. Anyway, you guys are probably waiting to learn fractions, so let's jump to the point. To start everything, a fraction is simply a division expression in a fancy way. For example, you can write 2 divided by 2 as 2 over 2, and both of them mean the same thing. Okay guys, this might be a little confusing, but don't get confused or else you might end up like this guy. Lol. No, just kidding. It sometimes can. Well, a fraction can be split into 2 parts. So the upper part is the numerator, while the lower part is the denominator. Operations of fractions. Addition. 1/2 plus 1/4 cannot really be easier if you made it 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4, because that is just converting a fraction into a straight line. What you do is that you find the LCD, or least common denominator, of the two fractions. As you can see, 2 times 2 equals 4, so you multiply the numerator of 1/2, 1, by 2, making it 2. You also do this with the denominator, making it 4. So, the fraction becomes 2 over 4. Now, it is easy. 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 2 plus 1 over 4, or 3/4. And that is the answer. Subtraction. For subtraction, it is very simple. It is just the same as adding, but the other way around. So 2/4 minus 1/4 is 1/4, because 2 minus 1 is 1. Multiplication. Multiplication of fractions is actually just the same as saying 1/2 of 1/4 if it says 1/2 times 1/4. So here's what you do. First, multiply the numerators of 1/2 and 1/4, which still gives you 1, because 1 times 1 is obviously 1. Then, multiply the denominators, giving you 8, because 2 times 4 equals 8. So, you got 1/8. For division, you might be confused because fractions are actually division expressions. But don't be. It's very similar to multiplying fractions because all you have to do is flip the second fraction. Like for example, if you have 1/2 divided by 1/4, make 1/4 4 over 1 or 4. Then you multiply normally 1/2 times 4, which is 2. Easy, right? I hope you're not like this meme, pretending you understand the math problem like, yes, yes. Conversion. Here's how you convert fractions into decimals. If you have, let's say, 1/8, here's how you do it. Divide the denominator with 100, so let's say 100 divided by 8. This actually equals 12.5. Move 2 spaces to the left, making 12.5 0.125. Now, multiply 0.125 with the numerator of 1/8, which is still 1. This still equals 0.125, so 0.125 equals 1/8. Thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe! By the way, I hope you guys are still alive.